Today we are going to talk about sources of information of modern Indian system history. So sources, one is primary, another is secondary. Primary sources, these are original sources. These are original sources created at the time of event. Created at the time of event. At that time, artifacts artifacts from archaeological sites, coins, monuments, inscriptions, travelogues, autobiographies, these are all primary sources. This gives us information. Now primary sources of information also include, means leaving these, you can get government reports, letters, photographs, maps, diaries, newspapers, magazine and film. So not only these, we could also see many museums, government museums are also there. Museums, archives, all the writings are kept in these, preserved in these places. Now secondary information that we were talking about, secondary information, these are second hand accounts of events. That means from textbooks, biographies, textbooks, biographies, magazines, newspapers, movies, these are all secondary sources of history. Books, first of all we have to know about books. Now we will be knowing about books, newspapers and magazine. That means these are all our secondary sources. First of all, printing press. Printing press was invented in Germany. Printing press was invented in Germany in 15th century. So as soon as printing press came, many mass printing of books started. Newspapers, magazines, pamphlets, so many things got printed. Books were printed in English and many other regional language too. Biographies of many people, biographies of great people were written, which gives us authentic information. Authentic means genuine information about the people and the time in which they live. Max Muller, he wrote about Vedas and some of the Indian philosophy. Max Muller, he had never been to India. He has never came to India, but his theory were to influence Western thoughts on India. Means about Vedas, about Indian philosophy, read about them. Means Max Muller wanted people to know about India. Next comes government documents. Government used to keep these documents, government orders, acts, important decisions of the government had to be meticulously recorded. These are recorded very carefully, very precisely. Okay, historians have a rich fund of official British documents. Means those who are historians, they are having too many documents official letters, correspondence, survey maps, district gadgets, and census records. So these things, where are they preserved? One is National Archives of India. Next, National Museum, New Delhi. Government Museum in Chennai is there, Mumbai is there, Kolkata is there. They are also having original documents like letter written by Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, all of this. And finally, the historic buildings, the most important, the historical buildings. These historical buildings were preserved. Some of them, means there are many, from among them some of the important events of the time, where the imposing Gateway of India was built to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to Bombay in 1911. Very, very important date. So this is what about the chapter when, where, and how.